processing certificates, doing quotes, answering phones, transferring phone calls, or filling out forms. So you have to determine for your agency what activities those VAs could do. That kind of frees up your licensed staff to do what they need to do. Hi. In this 3-minute video, we're going to talk about best virtual assistants for insurance agencies and which one is right for you. So first of all, what is a virtual assistant? So there are many names and abbreviations. VA, virtual assistant, VE, virtual executive, you have virtual personal assistant, virtual administrative assistant, virtual support assistant, virtual marketing assistant. So there are a million different abbreviations and names, alternative names, remote assistant, online assistant. So there are many for you to choose from. So where do you get a virtual assistant? Well, I have seen many different places, different countries where virtual assistants are becoming popular. You'll see the Philippines, I've seen El Salvador, I've seen India, and we've also seen expats or Americans who have moved to different countries, and some of those are licensed. So VAs aren't always people who are not licensed. More than likely, and most often, they are not licensed, but sometimes you do see some that are licensed here in the United States. So when you're considering virtual assistants, there are many companies like Coverdesk, the company that we use in the Philippines, that take care of basically all of the items, like educating them. So Coverdesk is specific to the insurance industry. They educate their VAs on the insurance industry, kind of giving them a basis of insurance. They take care of the tech. So you pay for the tech, but they take care of it. So they do the tech support. They do the security for their VAs. They do any issues or IT problems that those VAs have. The Coverdesk will actually take care of it. So they do the training. They do all the tech items. And then you wonder, well, what about their accent? When I call places, I hate it when people have an accent. Well, most VAs actually learn English from very young ages. And their English is really good. And some of them have a better education than most of us because the way these countries do education is different than the way they do it here in the United States. I actually lived in Guatemala for 12 years. And there they learn English and Spanish from a very young age. So they're educated. Their English is usually really good. Now, how do you determine what you're going to have your VAs do? Well, you have to go into your system, look at your activities, and find items that you do not need licensed staff to do. What kind of things are those? Like processing certificates, doing quotes, answering phones, transferring phone calls, or filling out forms. So you have to determine for your agency what activities those VAs could do. That kind of frees up your licensed staff to do what they need to do. Now, as a leader, you will need to determine what it is that the VAs will do and what it is that the licensed staff will do. And you need to make it very clear because your licensed staff are so used to doing everything, they will try to continue to do that and not pass it to a VA. But you have to make fine lines there where these items go to the VA, these items go to the licensed staff. But like a brand new cell phone or a brand new car, once you get a VA, you'll love them. You'll want to have more. They're very economical. So look into it. We have, I think, 6 VAs in the Philippines, 1 in Faroe Island. She moved from the Philippines to Faroe Island. So we use Coverdesk. We trust them. We enjoy our communication and the way they do things. You're in the interview process. So check it out. If you have any questions, let us know. We do have other podcasts on how to hire a VA, the VA job descriptions, and how to get your team to buy into having VAs. So take a look at those. Thanks so much. Hope this helped. Have a great day.